Baiklah hadirin yang dihormati sekalian, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Salam sejahtera dan salam hormat. Yang berbahagia, Datuk Suraya Haji Rozali Haji Mahmud, Datuk Bandar Majlis Bandaraya Seberang Perai, MBSP. Yang dihormati Ketua WIB Encik David Marshall, anak lelaki Pak Kinaden, dan Encik Muhammad Suzuki bin Ahmad dan ahli-ahli Majlis MBSP. Yang berusaha Puan Engineer Hajah Rosnani Haji Mahmud, Setiausaha Bandaraya MBSP. Ketua-ketua jabatan dan pegawai-pegawai kanan MBSP. Yang dihormati Encik Carlos Cano, Pengarah Urusan Continental Automotive Components Malaysia Sdn Bhd, warga-warga kerja MBSP, warga kerja Continental Automotive Components Malaysia Sdn Bhd, rakan-rakan media seterusnya, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, para hadirin yang dihormati sekalian. Terlebih dahulu, bersyukur kita kehadrat Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala kerana dengan limpah rahmat serta keiznannya, maka di pagi Sabtu yang berbahagia ini, kita berkesempatan untuk bersama-sama bagi mengadakan majlis pelancaran secara maya berkebun di halaman rumah 2021, anjuran bersama Majlis Bandar Seberang Perai dan ditaja oleh Continental Automotive Components Malaysia Sdn Bhd. Majlis terlebih dahulu ingin mengalu-alukan kehadiran yang bahagia Datuk Bandar MBSP, ahli-ahli majlis dan setiausaha bandaraya serta ketua-ketua jabatan dan seluruh warga kerja MBSP sekalian yang turut bersama dalam majlis pelancaran pada pagi ini. Majlis juga ingin mengalu-alukan kehadiran yang dihormati Pengarah Urusan Continental Automotive Components Malaysia Sdn Bhd dan seluruh warga kerjanya yang turut juga bersama dalam majlis pelancaran pada pagi ini. Majlis pada pagi ini diadakan secara maya melalui aplikasi Zoom dan juga secara langsung di Facebook MBSP, terus menerus dari Dewan Kenanga Menara Bandaraya MBSP Bandar Perda. Majlis merakamkan ucapan ribuan terima kasih. Hadirin yang dihormati sekalian, sebagai pembuka bicara majlis pelancaran berkebun di halaman rumah pada pagi ini, marilah sama-sama kita saksikan tayangan video Continental 150 tahun. Sama-sama kita saksikan hadirin sekalian.
150 years of Continental. That's 6 generations. Your great-great-grandparents already knew us when the first car was just a dream. Since then, we have changed many times, grown by achievements and challenges, strengthened by our culture, equipped for the future. Mobility has always been our heartbeat. For 150 years, we are proud of our history, and we will keep on moving. Making mobility safe, clean, smart, sustainable, and affordable is our mission. That is what we work on every day since 1871, tomorrow and beyond.
Ya, hadirin sekalian, demikianlah tadi tayangan video yang memaparkan sepanjang perjalanan Continental selama 150 tahun dalam dunia otomotif, memainkan peranan dalam dunia otomotif di dunia. Baiklah hadirin yang dihormati sekalian, seterusnya majlis ingin mempersilakan dengan segala hormatnya yang dihormati Encik Carlos Cano, Pengarah Urusan Continental Automotive Components Malaysia Sdn Bhd, untuk menyampaikan ucapan aluan. Dipersilakan.
Salam sejahtera. Very good morning to all. Yang berbahagia Datuk Suraya Haji Rozali bin Haji Mahmud, Mayor of the Municipal Council of Seberang Perai.
150 years of Continental.
Fellow media, MBSP staff, ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure to be here with you this morning. Continental, as just mentioned, will be 71. To commemorate and celebrate the 150th birthday of Continental, we are once again happy to collaborate with MBSP, the Seberang Perai City Council Local Action 21, as the main sponsor and co-organizer of the home farming program. 150 qualified families from Seberang Perai District will receive plants, seeds, soils, other materials, and guidance to help start their own farming at home. The coronavirus pandemic impacts have led to several widespread increases in global food shortage or insecurity, affecting vulnerable households in almost every country, with impacts expected to continue through 2021 and well into 2022. With this program, we hope to help the families with sustainable measures that can reduce the financial stress. Urban home farming can help these families who want to take their livelihood into their own hands, using empty spaces between houses, corridors, or balconies or roofs to plant vegetables, herbs, and other plants that the families can consume, or they can also sell to boost their family income. These home farmers will learn to produce compost from food waste, which can be used as a fertilizer. The recycling process will contribute to MBSP aim to achieve 70% recycling waste in Severin Prai district, which will help to lower the carbon footprint. This program also supports MBSP aim for Severin Prai to be recognized as a low carbon city by 2022 and carbon-free city by 2030. The ambition is relevant to Continental's aim for 100% emission-free mobility and industries by 2050, emission-free vehicles, factories, and industrial products. Once again, Terima kasih, thank you very much, MBSP. Continental is very happy to be a part of this program and to contribute towards a very significant and good cause. Terima kasih. It is a pleasure to be a partner with you in this. Thank you.
Ya, Majlis merakamkan ucapan ribuan terima kasih kepada Pengarah Urusan Continental Automotive Components Malaysia Sdn Bhd, Encik Carlos Cano, di atas kesudian menyampaikan ucapan aluan sebentar tadi. Hadirin yang dihormati sekalian, majlis seterusnya ialah ucapan pelancaran. Dengan ini, tanpa melengahkan masa lagi, majlis dengan penuh hormat dan takzim ingin mempersilakan Yang Bahagia Datuk Surveyor Haji Rozali Haji Mohamud, Datuk Bandar MBSP, untuk menyampaikan ucapan pelancaran secara maya berkebun di halaman rumah 2021. Majlis mempersilakan.
Let me continue in English for the benefits of Continental Automotive Component Malaysia Sdn Bhd all over the world. I would like to take this opportunity to thank and express my appreciation to Mr. Carlos Cano. Again, I would like to apologize if my pronounce is not according to what it should be. The Managing Director of Continental Automotive Component Malaysia Sdn Bhd, and also his team for being the co-organizer of 2021 House Backyard Gardening Program. For your information, Continental Automotive Component Malaysia Sdn Bhd has been collaborating with MBSP in organizing the Green School Awards program since 2010. MBSP is very grateful to the Continental Automotive Component Malaysia Sdn Bhd and its staff for their continued strong support in strengthening education and awareness on environmental conservation and rehabilitation among school children in Seberang Perai. Due to widespread of the COVID-19 pandemic in Malaysia and all over the world, the Green School Awards program has been postponed for 2020 and 2021. Therefore, in conjunction with 150th anniversary celebration, Continental Automotive Component Malaysia Sdn Bhd has shown its interest and agreed to sponsor and run House Backyard Gardening Program with a total sponsorship worth RM 13,500. The Penang State Government intends to create 100 community farms within 5 years from 2020 with the concept of urban farming, which focus on organic vegetable gardening. MBSP has implemented the community gardening program in Seberang Perai with involvement of 30 communities, of which 11 in Seberang Perai Utara, 12 in Seberang Perai Tengah, and 7 in Seberang Perai Selatan. Community gardening concept has been upgraded and improved into urban farming with wider scope. Among initiatives that has been implemented by MBSP, First is provide agricultural training for urban communities by holding workshop on composting and organic crops for the community. Is free of charge. Second is organize competitions and programs to promote urban farming, such as Sustainable Community Awards, neighborhood farming competition, and clean and beautiful backyard competition. Third, organizing community market and upcycle carnival, which has a function as a marketing medium. There are a few 8 locations that has been established. Auto City, Gross Market in Auto City, second Sunday of the month. Gross Market in Taman Bagan Lalang, first Sunday of the month. Taman Puteri Gunung, Gross Market, and Pematang Nebong, Gross Market, which will be implemented after the lockdown, after the these sessions now, I mean the movement control order. Fourth is develop and establish the Padang Cempedak Green Education Center with Sultan Idris University of Education on 1.4 acres plot of land belong to MBSP, which provides workshop and training in agricultural, especially gardening. The participant will obtain, the participant will be given certificate from UPSI and recognized by the university. Fifth, creating a business change that include gardening work, packaging and marketing. In this way, many jobs opportunities could be created to cover job losses during the COVID-19 pandemic. And finally, MBSP also contribute seedling to encourage staff and the community to start gardening. I hope all this, the residents can practice urban farming, backyard gardening or balcony gardening, and make their own compost. 40% of the waste equivalent to 146,000 tons can be removed or diverted from being sent to the landfill. In return, this will reduce tipping fees by 5.47 Malaysian ringgit, reduce carbon footprint production by 307.5 kilotons of carbon dioxide equivalent, and curbs global warming not more than 1.5 degrees Celsius. And in addition, residents will be able to consume fresh vegetable and make the community more sustainable. House backyard gardening program is in line with MBSP target, which is for residents to be able to carry out and practice composting food waste from home. To achieve the target of 70% recycling rate in 2022, to be a low carbon city in 2022, carbon neutral city in 2030, and zero carbon city in 2050. Let us work together for the successful achievement of the Penang 2030 vision and MBSP vision, which is Brampai, resilient, inclusive, green, competitive, and technology-driven smart city. Before I end the sessions, I would like to dengan lafaz Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, saya merasmikan program pelancaran berkebun di halaman rumah 2021. Thank you very much. Saya Andre.
Ya, demikianlah tadi hadirin sekalian ucapan pelancaran secara maya berkebun di halaman rumah yang telah disampaikan oleh Yang Berbahagia Datuk Suraya Haji Rozali Haji Mahmud Datuk Bandar MBSP. Majlis merakamkan ucapan ribuan terima kasih dan setinggi-tinggi penghargaan di atas kesudian Datuk menyampaikan ucapan pelancaran sebentar tadi. Hadirin yang dihormati sekalian, seterusnya tibalah masanya kita di kemuncak majlis pada pagi ini, iaitu gimik pelancaran. Baik, dipersilakan Yang Berbahagia Datuk Bandar MBSP untuk melakukan pelancaran secara maya berkebun di halaman rumah 2021, tajaan Continental Automotive Components Malaysia Sdn Bhd. Datuk Bandar akan masukkan sisa makanan, sayur-sayuran dan kompos ke dalam sebuah tong yang diberi nama 2-in-1 farming drum. Lebih dahulu, Datuk akan memasukkan kompos dahulu. Okey. turut serta dalam majlis pelancaran ini kedua-dua Ketua VIP, Cik Dewi Marshall dan Cik Ahmad Suzuki. Baik, lebih dahulu kompos dimasukkan. Itu dia, sama-sama kita saksikan. Sebuah tong yang berwarna biru yang diberi nama 2-in-1 farming drum digunakan untuk program ini. Semestinya akan menghasilkan sayur-sayuran, khususnya tanaman yang bermutu tinggi. Itu dia. Bagi mendapatkan hasil yang baik, kita masukkan kompos dahulu dengan sebilangan ke dalam tong ini. Seterusnya pula ialah sisa makanan ataupun sisa sayuran dimasukkan pula. Okey. Jumlahnya ia bergantung kepada kapasiti tong tersebut yang digunakan. Okey. Baik. Dan seterusnya pula, sekali lagi kompos akan dimasukkan. Ini bermaksud, pertama sekali kita akan masukkan kompos dahulu ke dalam tong itu. Kemudian sisa makanan ataupun sisa-sisa sayuran hasil daripada makanan yang kita buang tetapi kita gunakan dalam menghasilkan tanaman yang baik dan bermutu tinggi. Itu dia, kompos dimasukkan. Baik. Okey. Terima kasih diucapkan. Itu dia gimik pelancaran pada pagi ini. Demikianlah tadi gimik pelancaran yang telah disempurnakan oleh Yang Berbahagia Datuk Bandar, turut serta oleh kedua Ketua VIP kita pada pagi ini. Majlis merakamkan ucapan ribuan terima kasih kepada Yang Berbahagia Datuk Surveyor Haji Rozali Haji Mahmud, Datuk Bandar MBSP, dan kesudian hadir bagi melakukan pelancaran secara maya berkebun di halaman rumah anjuran bersama MBSP dan Continental Automotive Components Malaysia Sdn Bhd yang diadakan terus menerus dari Menara Bandaraya MBSP. Majlis juga merakamkan ucapan ribuan terima kasih kepada Encik Carlos Kano, Pengarusan Continental Automotive Components Malaysia Sdn Bhd selaku penaja utama program pada pagi ini. Terima kasih juga diucapkan kepada seluruh tenaga kerja yang telah bertungkus lumus bagi menjayakan majlis pelancaran pada pagi ini. Akhir kata, semoga kita bersua di lain ketika. Sekian, wabillahi taufik dan assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.